Our grammar lesson today is about verbs and mainly the verb tenses. Let's recall what an action verb is first. It's a word that tells what a person or thing does. So it shows action. Example, the princess walked down the hill. Where's the verb? Walked. A verb tense tells what an action or when an action takes place. There are three main verb tenses. Of course, the first one is the present, the past, and the future. Present tense verbs tell what happens usually or about a fact. So they tell about what usually happens, like every day I do this or that, and what is a fact. For example, the sun rises in the morning or whatever. If the subject of the sentence is singular, then we have to add as to the verb. For example, Michael shares his pencil with Justin, as Michael is singular. If the subject of the sentence is singular and the verb ends in ch, shs, x, or z, then add es to the verb. Aaron rushes to the bus because it ends in sh, so I add es. If the subject of the sentence is plural, then don't add s. The verb doesn't take s. Same as here. The kids like school. The children play outside. Past. Past tense verbs tell about what happened in the past, which is before now. We usually add ed to make a verb in the past tense. The kids crossed the street, so I added ed. If a verb already ends in e, I just add d to make it past. The bees chased Mitchell. If a verb ends with a consonant and y, change the y to I before adding ed. For example, Alina carried, I changed the y to I and added ed, her books to class. Blair and Michael played basketball at recess. Here, because it ends with it ends in y, but before the y I don't have a consonant. On the contrary, I have a vowel. So if I have a vowel, I just add ed normally. If a short vowel comes right before a consonant, double the consonant, then add ed. So pay attention. It's a short vowel, like here, step, short, and it's one syllable. Then I double the consonant and I add ed. Those words indicate that an action happened in the past. They are time words or clue words. Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, or ago. When you see any of these time words, this means that the action is in the past. A future tense verb tells about something that will happen later on. We create the future by using will, shall, might, or may with the plain verb form or the uh, simple form of the verb. Quentin will answer the question. It's in the future. We shall go home at 3:15. These words show future, tomorrow, in the future, or next time.